Okay, thank you, Lim. Thank you, Vanita, in order to join my class. Maybe your all other classmates meet in afternoon class with lecture 4. So let us finish lecture 3 and you, Vanita and Lim will teach your classmates, your friends, this chapters. So the topics of today lecture is denial of service attacks. The, Today we'll cover motivation of DOS attackers, type of DOS attack, generic DOS attacks, Unix and Windows DOS. So what are the motivations? The motivation and psychology behind DDoS attacks vary. They span financial or economic benefits, revenge, ideological beliefs, cyber warfare, or even solely personal enjoyment. Large-scale DDoS cyber attacks tend to be the results of group efforts as opposed to individual actors with a specific goal or agenda in mind. So these are the motivation taxonomy. Maybe Vanita have some political reason to do some DOS attacks, but maybe Lim has some emotional reasons for DOS attacks. Maybe Jacob has a informational or promotional motivation for DOS attacks. Maybe I have some ideological motivations for DOS attacks. Maybe or some of friends they have some financial motivation of DOS attacks. Some attackers must have commercial motivation of DOS attackers. Even the second may have some personal motivation of DOS attackers. And all DOS attackers have may have some motivation of exploitation motivation. So there are 8 different motivation exist behind any DOS attacks. When we read political, there may be sabotage, espionage, propaganda, and protest. Someone want to protest, they do attack. Someone have some propaganda, they will do attack. Emotional attacks also. Lim is a emotional attack hacker. So there may be some boredom, she has no work, so or maybe she is angry with someone, so she will take revenge, or maybe I will take revenge, or maybe anyone. So the some attackers who have the reason like boredom, hate, revenge, obsessions, then we can categorize that motivation as a emotional motivation. Maybe some attackers want to draw attention to potential security failures, disseminating the truth, freedom of information, instigating a worldwide debate. There may be freedom of information, protest and opposition, religious beliefs, terrorisms that categorize into ideological, fraud, monetary gains, identity theft, extortion, money laundering, economical, industrial espionage, trade secrets, intellectual property thefts, attack against competitors, categorized into commercial motivation, self-amusement, self-actualization, intellectual challenge, need to prove themselves, need to prove their technical proficiency, come under personal motivation. Child pornography, extortion, harassment, causing emotional distress comes into exploitation motivation taxonomy. Okay. So I got a warning that this meeting may go to over in a 5 minutes. So I am going to make another link and send you again. Uh, Otherwise, I will not be able to finish this 30 slides in the next 5 minutes. So let me make a new link and then,
Okay, so
okay.